Gemini Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. In this video, I'll give you an honest review of the Gemini Crypto Exchange based on my personal usage experience. Gemini is a US-based cryptocurrency platform known for its strong security features, user-friendly interface, and regulatory compliance. It offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to lesser-known altcoins, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned traders. One of the standout features of Gemini is its ease of use. The interface is clean and intuitive, allowing even newcomers to navigate through the platform with minimal effort. Whether you're buying, selling, or trading, everything is streamlined for simplicity. Gemini also offers advanced trading options like the Active Trader interface for more experienced users. This allows you to set up advanced order types, track real-time charts, and execute faster trades, which is ideal for active traders. Additionally, Gemini's mobile app provides the same seamless experience, which makes trading on the go a breeze. One major strength of Gemini is its security. With features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for the majority of assets, and regular security audits, the platform has positioned itself as one of the more secure exchanges in the market. For anyone concerned about the safety of their funds, Gemini's commitment to security is a reassuring factor. Gemini's fees are competitive, though not the lowest in the industry. The platform charges a flat fee for smaller transactions, while larger trades are subject to a variable fee based on volume. That said, Gemini's fees are reasonable considering the level of security, reliability, and the range of services offered. It's worth mentioning Gemini's excellent customer support. I've had a couple of inquiries in the past, and their support team was prompt, knowledgeable, and efficient. Another appealing feature is Gemini's regulatory compliance. As a fully licensed exchange, it adheres to strict US regulations, providing an added layer of trust for users. Overall, Gemini is a solid crypto exchange for both beginners and experienced traders. Its user-friendly design, robust security, and compliance with regulatory standards make it a trustworthy platform to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. If you're looking for a reliable exchange with strong customer support, Gemini is definitely worth considering.